This island appeared out of nowhere, then disappeared again. An island appeared out of nowhere in the middle of the ocean. No one saw it coming. No satellite predicted it. It was not on any map. And then, just as suddenly as it rose from the sea, it vanished, gone without a trace. But what happened next left scientists completely speechless, because this was not the first time something like this had occurred, and it may not be the last. What if Earth is hiding secrets beneath the ocean that we are only beginning to understand? Let us dive into one of the strangest real-life mysteries our planet has ever seen. The island that should not exist in November 2015. Something incredible happened in the South Pacific. Just off the coast of Tonga, a new landmass suddenly emerged from the ocean. It was more than just a pile of rocks. It was a fully formed island, about 1 kilometer wide, rising over 100 meters above sea level, complete with craters and sulfuric lakes. It looked ancient, but it had just been born. No one could explain how it had formed so fast. Satellite images showed nothing just days before. So where did it come from? The science behind sudden islands. Scientists believe the island was the result of a powerful underwater volcanic eruption. When magma explodes through the ocean floor and cools rapidly, it can create new land almost instantly. But there was something strange about this island. Most volcanic islands crumbled back into the sea within weeks. This one stayed for years. And when researchers finally got a chance to study it in 2017, they discovered something that should not have been there. The island had become a strange ecosystem. Despite being isolated in the middle of the ocean and freshly formed from lava, it was teeming with life. Birds had moved in, vegetation was starting to grow, and scientists discovered a mysterious clay-like substance on the island that no one could identify. It was not found anywhere else on Earth. Some believed it might be a new type of mineral. Others feared it could be a toxic byproduct of a deep-sea chemical reaction, but they did not have time to find out, because shortly after their investigation, the island began to collapse. In early 2020, satellite images showed the island was shrinking. Waves and weather began eating away at its fragile edges, and then, one day, it was gone, completely vanished beneath the waves. Not even a sandbar remained. No warning, no explanation, just ocean. This might sound like an isolated event, but it is not. Throughout history, there have been reports of islands that appeared out of nowhere and then vanished. In the 1800s, sailors documented an island near the Azores that was visible for weeks until it disappeared forever. More recently, in 2013, another island formed in the Red Sea after a volcanic eruption, only to vanish a year later. Are these natural processes, or is something else going on beneath the oceans that we still do not understand? Some believe these islands are not just geological phenomena, but signs of massive changes happening beneath Earth's crust. Others think they might be windows into something deeper, unknown geological systems, or even ancient structures rising temporarily to the surface. What if these disappearing islands are not accidents, but warnings? What if the Earth is trying to tell us something and we only understand a fraction of what happens beneath the oceans? And every once in a while, the Earth reminds us just how little we really know. So what do you think? Was it just a temporary island created by nature, or a glimpse into something humanity is not ready to uncover? But one thing is certain, Earth still holds secrets we are far from understanding, and maybe, just maybe, the next island will bring even more questions than answers. If you are fascinated by Earth's hidden mysteries, hit that subscribe button for more mind-bending videos. And tell me in the comments, do you think these vanishing islands are natural, or is there something else at play beneath the waves?